In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dynamic input in AutoCAD. As you can see here first, we're just going to type here the word line. And you can see here, we just have also a plain line wherein you can't edit the exact dimensions. Unlike if you're going to turn on the dynamic, just simply go on here and we can see here the dynamic input. If it was unchecked, just simply click on that. And then you can find it here, this icon. Just simply click on that, type L. Now we can see that you can specify the first point, like for example, this point, and I can edit it to, like for example, 82,000. And there you have it. We have a dynamic option. That's about it. That's how to turn on dynamic input in AutoCAD. If you have any questions, just please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.